If you want to record slow motion video on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the camera, and then over here we can swipe to more, and then in the more section you should be able to find slow motion. So if you go over here, then we can easily start recording a video. We also have some additional options here, for example the resolution. We can increase the resolution to 1080p, and the frame rate can be increased up to 960 frames per second. However, if you use this amount of frame rate, then only the last quarter of the recording will be used. So if you press recording, as you can see, there is this gray section of the circle, and this gray section is only used for the recording. Whereas if you use a lower frame rate, then of course we have just as much time as we want. And that is essentially it. Now this frame rate can be changed in order to adjust the speed and the effectiveness of the slow motion. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.